Today I will introduce this 220 voltage model, which can be used for 380 voltage. First, it has multifunctional LED digital display, set temperature, actual temperature, water voltage or power water flow. It also has an intelligent prompt function. When the water flow is too high and the temperature cannot meet the requirements, it will flash, turn down water flow. And constant temperature function, adjustable temperature up to 55 degrees. Large power, multi-point water supply for bathroom shower and faucet. It uses durable glass cover and has IPX4 waterproof degree. Sample rule supporting OEM, ODM. Authoritative patents and international certifications: SGS, TUV, GCC, CE, CV, ROSE, ETL, ERP, Sabre, 3C. Positive reviews from overseas buyers since 2018. Material inspection, production assembly, semi-finished product testing, finished product testing bench testing, package, transportation simulation. Instant electric water heater.